Now think about this, people. If we get a win past Man City, if we get a win past Arsenal, and Arsenal get a favorable draw or lose against Tottenham, hey, we could be in a title race. And if you tell me that at the beginning of the season that we are in a title race, I would have bite your head off. Clean, boom, spit out. But no, there's a possibility that we can pull off 6 points out of 9 points out of these 4 games. That's not to worry about Charter. We might just this is not points. We're not talking about we're talking about Premier League, not the Carling Cup. But if we can pull out 6 points out of those after 6 available right now, we're coming for you.